Here is the unboxing of a HP laptop. This is a HP 15S. Oh, here we go. That's the information there. 15S-EQ1096AU, 512 gig SSD, 8 gig RAM, and AMD Athlon 3150. So it's perfect for office works, basic graphics works. So let's have a look. This is the Australian version, and some of them are designed for certain retailers, so you'll find your model, maybe 15S-EQ, it's pretty much the same with many other models, just different CPU or RAM. It uses the standard HP charger. So it has a very thin bezel, matte finish, very nice. I like matte, less reflective, looks nice. Full size keyboard. Looks like the ProBook family. AMD Athlon, AMD graphics, turning on now. We'll let it boot. Let's have a look what's on the side. You got a Type-C, HDMI, and audio jack and a network card. And on the other side, 2 USBs and the charging port. Nothing at the back. It's got a backlit keyboard, as you can see. Very nice. Okay. Let's have a look at the screen. So not the best screen. You can see a bit of high reflection around the edges of the screen. So it's a cheap panel.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Right.
A little sign-in.
I'll do another video after this where I'm going to take a clone of the hard drive onto an external drive, and I'll show you how to boot. Alright, let's just finish the external, finish your setup. I don't know if you can see a bit of light areas on the edges. And the screen is not actually installed properly. Like, I'll show you what I mean. If you look at the edge there, you see more black lines. Yeah, like if I'll bring the camera closer, that will be best. This is one of the problems with these budget laptops. I'll show you what I mean. I'll just go HP. It's a shame it doesn't have a Type-C connection, which would have been nice for power. Maybe you can charge from Type-C, I'm not sure, I don't want to try, risking damaging. So I'll show you what I mean about that edge of the screen. You see that black gap on the left side, and have a look on the right side, no gap. That's what I mean by screen is not installed properly. Reason why is if you're working on very modern laptops, you'll notice they don't use screws anymore to put the screen in. They just use double-side tape on either side edges, so the worker just slaps on the new screen. Away you go, faster installation time. But then yeah, you get these problems. It's not really a big deal, but if you know that problem, then you just can't stop looking at it. Yeah, so Windows 10 Home, 8 gigs, usable 5.92, so it has a GPU in there, which is I think sharing the RAM. Right, about 3 gigabytes is used. Okay, so it's got 2 gig plus the 3 gig. I see. 2 gig dedicated GPU and 3 gig 65 degrees. Serious? Okay, I'm not sure if that's normal. Fan is already kicked in and I haven't done anything yet. Maybe the CPU usage is high. Yep. So something's happening in the background. OneDrive is finishing installing. Right. There we go. That's about it for this video. And I'll continue on the next video where I'm going to show you how to boot off an external USB and disable secure boot. And that's about it. Okay. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.